Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best LEGO sets is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding gifts you can give a 6-year-old boy, sparking creativity, developing fine motor skills, and providing hours of imaginative play that transcends simple toy enjoyment, truly building foundational learning experiences disguised as pure fun, making the right choice crucial for maximizing their developmental benefits and endless entertainment. Number 5. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Flatbed Truck. Unleash creativity with this amazing 3-in-1 toy. Designed for boys and girls aged 7 and up, it offers endless building possibilities from a single box. Start your adventure by building a robust flatbed truck and a cool helicopter. These models are ready for any mission your imagination can conjure. Transform it into a propeller plane with a fuel truck for aerial escapades. This set ensures the fun never runs out, whether on land or in the sky. Or, rebuild it into a sleek hot rod and a sturdy SUV for thrilling races. These vehicles bring high-speed action right into your playtime. Each model boasts exciting movable features. Enjoy spinning propellers, rotating rotor blades, and rolling wheels that bring your creations to life. After an epic play session, these impressive models can be proudly displayed. They make fantastic additions to any bedroom decor. This 3-in-1 toy is an ideal gift for any occasion, inspiring countless hours of imaginative roleplay. Explore other LEGO Creator sets for even more building adventures. What we like. This set offers incredible versatility with its 3-in-1 design, allowing for multiple builds from a single box. If you're looking for maximum play value and endless rebuilding possibilities, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for kids who love variety and enjoy transforming their creations into something new. What people say. Number 4. LEGO Friends Baking Competition 41393. Step into the exciting world of a TV baking competition. This set encourages creative play as kids help characters craft amazing LEGO cakes. They'll love pretending to perform under the heat of the studio cameras. Kids can cook on stage, roleplay as the judge, or even go behind the cameras. Imagine putting out a kitchen fire or creating something entirely new with their own LEGO bricks. This playset includes 3 LEGO mini dolls and 2 cook stations with rotating cake stands. It comes with lots of baking accessories, like toy food and icing, plus essential kitchen equipment. It sparks imagination and offers endless build and play fun. This is a creativity-filled holiday, birthday, or any day gift for kids aged 6 and up. It's ideal for children who love mini dolls, baking, and baking competition TV shows. They can bring their favorite show to life right in their own home. This modular toy cooking set measures just over 5 inches high and 11 inches wide. It won't take up much room when all the elements are displayed together. What we like. Step into the exciting world of a baking competition with this detailed set, perfect for imaginative roleplay. If your child loves creative storytelling and enjoys cooking-themed adventures, this set will provide hours of fun. It's ideal for aspiring chefs and fans of baking shows. What people say. Number 3. GAMZOO STEM 2-in-1 Remote Control Racer Building Toys. Unleash your child's inner engineer with this exciting building kit. It allows them to construct 2 different remote-controlled vehicles, providing endless hours of fun and learning. With this versatile set, you can build either a rugged off-road truck or a speedy race car. Its snap-together pieces make construction simple and enjoyable for young builders. After building, the adventure continues. Use the included remote control to bring your creations to life. Drive them around and experience the thrill of racing. These engaging toys are designed to do more than just entertain. They help strengthen hand-eye coordination and promote creativity in young minds. Beyond just building, this kit encourages critical thinking and problem-solving. It supports overall developmental skills while ensuring a fantastic play experience. What we like. This unique set combines building with the thrill of remote control, offering 2 different vehicles to construct and drive. If you're looking for a toy that blends hands-on engineering with interactive play, this is a fantastic option. It's great for kids who enjoy both building and racing their creations. What people say. Number 2. LEGO Secret Holder 41924. Reward any child with this perfect kit. It features a box with 2 secret compartments, a storage tray, and colorful tiles. Children can stretch their design skills as they decorate it. They can follow pattern ideas or create their own unique designs. The included tiles are perfect for making cool crafts. Kids can also use tiles from other kits to expand their creations. Any fan of DIY or arts and crafts will adore this imaginative toy. It makes a great everyday gift or a fun creative reward for ages 6 and up. It measures over 4.5 inches high, 2.5 inches wide, and 2.5 inches deep. This easy craft kit is the perfect size for tucking away all your secrets. What we like. Unleash creativity with this DIY craft kit, allowing kids to design and personalize their own secret holder. If your child loves arts and crafts and enjoys making unique items, this set is perfect for them. It's an excellent way to express individuality and keep treasures safe. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 1. LEGO Friends Magical Acrobatics 41686. Experience the thrill of the carnival with this exciting building kit. Kids can pretend they're putting on an amazing show, performing incredible tricks. It includes 2 LEGO Friends mini dolls, Olivia and Stella, dressed in their dazzling performance outfits. A charming horse figure also joins the act. When you pull the float, its clever spinning function brings the wheel to life. It's even removable, allowing for separate, dynamic play. A special twistable knob lets the mini dolls whirl gracefully around the bar. Watch them perform breathtaking acrobatic feats. This playset is an ideal present for boys and girls aged 6 and up who adore creative carnival adventures. It makes a fantastic birthday surprise or a special treat. With the horse attached, the float measures over 3 inches high and 8 inches long. The bar element is over 3 inches high, perfect for engaging play in any space. What we like. Experience the magic of the carnival with this acrobatic playset, featuring exciting spinning functions for dynamic performances. If your child is fascinated by shows and enjoys interactive play with movement, this set will captivate their imagination. It's ideal for creating thrilling circus acts and stories. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points as the source content is empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.